Today we are going to start exercise of chapter number 4. First question. Multiple choice question. Take the correct answer. First is which option provides an easy and quick method to calculate the sum of the selected range data is known as which option is providing easy and quick method to calculate the sum. Sum means plus addition. So answer is auto sum. What is the answer? Auto sum. Second, you always enter a formula starting with equals to sign. Third, relative referencing means relative. In relative, we are changing the cell address according to where it has been copied. But in absolute referencing, we are keeping the cell address. So the answer is changing the cell address according to where it has been copied. Fourth, an Excel document is called workbook. Whereas if you talk about page, it is known as worksheet. So answer is workbook. The symbol used in representation of date and time is hyphen sign. This one. So answer is D. Now next, an Excel document gets saved with the extension .zls. So here the answer is false. This answer is false because the extension is XLS, not ZLS. So first is false. Second, the data input can be automated by using the file handler. So first is false. Okay. Second, the data input can be automated by using file handler. True. Third, sorting means arranging data in ascending or descending order. It is also true. Next, in absolute referencing, when you copy this formula to different cells, the cell address in the formula change accordingly to the rows and columns where the formula is being copied. So answer is here we change the according to rows and columns. That is false. We are not changing. We are keeping the formula in absolute referencing. So the answer is false. Next, to make a cell address absolute, add hash sign before the row and column address of the cell in the formula. This is also false. Why? We are using hyphen sign. Sorry, dollar sign. For absolute referencing, we use dollar sign. Now, filling the blanks. A dash is a grid that organizes data into columns and rows. A dash is a grid that organizes data in column and rows. The answer is worksheet. Okay, what is the answer? The first answer is worksheet. This is the answer. Second, an Excel document is called a workbook. Second answer is workbook. Third, you must give a dash sign before the formula is entered. The answer is equals to. This is the answer. Equals to. The features of automatically filling the data is called autofill. Here the answer is autofill. You can edit the date either directly in the cell or in the formula bar. We can edit the data either in the cell or in formula bar. A dash is a very quick procedure to find the sum of the numbers entered. The last answer is AutoSum. With the AutoSum, we can quick procedure uh, to find the sum of the numbers entered. Now match the following. Spreadsheet software. What is spreadsheet software? Spreadsheet software is be used for calculating, manipulating, and analyzing numbers. What is worksheet? Worksheet, a page in the workbook. C. Cell. What is cell? Intersection of rows and columns are known as cell. Fourth, title bar. Title bar. What is the use of title bar? Shows the name of the current workbook in which you are working and their standard buttons on its sides. Name box shows the name of the test cell. Now ribbon. This option gives you all the options to workbook from a single area. These are the answers of the match of the following. Now next, answer in one word. What is the purpose of spreadsheet software? So what is the purpose of spreadsheet software? Answer you will get in match the following. What is spreadsheet software? The purpose of spreadsheet software is to use for calculating, manipulating and analyzing numbers. This is the answer of question number 1 in worksheet 5. Okay. Next, what is the spreadsheet part of the Microsoft Office Suite 2010 is called? What is the spreadsheet part of the Microsoft Office Suite 2010 called? So for this I'm going to the first page. Okay. So this part is known as Microsoft Office Suite 2010. Okay. Microsoft Office Excel 2010 is the spreadsheet part of the Microsoft Office Suite 2010. This is the answer of second question. Microsoft Office Excel 2010. Now the next one. How a cell is formed in a worksheet? By the intersection of rows and columns. This is the answer of third question. By the intersection of rows and columns, cell is formed. Name the extension of workbook in Microsoft Office Excel 2010. .xls. .xls. Fifth, what are the data which include number from 0 to 9 and characters plus, minus, percentage, etc. These are called numeric data. Numeric data. Numeric data. I repeat, numeric data. Numeric data. What is the formation of cell address? How cell address is formed? Basically, cell address is formed with the rows and columns. Okay. Firstly, the column, then row. The combination of column and row, like B1, A1, Okay, come here. Each cell is referred as a column row combination like B2, D4, E5, etc. Okay, this is the answer. Last question of worksheet 5. Now, worksheet 6. Write about electronic spreadsheet. So, what is electronic spreadsheet? This is the answer. Electronic spreadsheets are computer programs used to perform numeric calculations rapidly and accurately. Okay. Electronic, electronic spreadsheets are computer programs used to perform numeric calculations rapidly and accurately. What is Microsoft Office Excel? Again, come back. What is Microsoft Office Excel? Microsoft Office Excel 2010 spreadsheet part of the Microsoft Office Suite 2010. This can be used for calculating, manipulating, and analyzing numbers. It also has a powerful graph building facility to present information in the form of chart, easy understanding of facts. So this answer you will write in the second question of worksheet 6. What do you understand by autosum and sorting? For this, come here. Autosum is a very simple procedure to find the sum of numbers entered. Okay. And sorting means arranging data in ascending and descending order. Now, what is absolute referencing and relative referencing? This is the answer of absolute referencing. In absolute referencing, when you copy a formula to different cells, the cell address in the formula remains the same irrespective of where the formula is being copied. Okay. But in relative referencing, when you copy a formula to different cells, the cell address in the formula change accordingly to rows and columns. So here I have completed this exercise. In next class, we will do the exercise of next chapter. And fun time you have to solve by own self. That's all for the today. Thank you and have a nice day.